When you live your life on the water's edge, the day will come when it's time to go further and make memories that will truly last a lifetime. Since 1973, Blackfin has carried fishermen, friends, and families on unforgettable adventures. Our state-of-the-art fishing boats combine legendary heritage with cutting-edge marine technology. Every Blackfin is designed by fishermen and built tough from the highest quality materials, with everything you need for the ultimate expedition. Are you ready to take the plunge? Blackfin offers unmatched durability, quality, and the industry's best warranty. So whether you're headed for open ocean in search of the big one or dropping anchor on the sandbar, Blackfin is the brand that gives you the best of both worlds. Blackfin, the legend lives on. Learn more at blackfinboats.com.